All right, it's now January 11th, a couple months after I finished the device, and it's done. It worked like a charm. I got a little bit of footage from that day, but we were kind of running late, and so didn't do enough. Here she is. This is the finished product. You can see I've got some antifreeze in the bottom there. You can kind of see that pink color sloshing around. And this is the part I couldn't show you before. It was the PVC tube. Here is the finished plate. I never did get around to putting that rubber material on the bottom, but it worked like a charm. And there you can see the green oxidation from the brass. I guess it's brass or, yeah, it must be brass clean out that you push it up against in order to inject the coolant into the system. And this is how it gets connected to the battery. So at the very end of the wire, I've got these alligator clips attached, and they make it super easy to connect and disconnect this thing. And I didn't mention this when I was building it, but I used Anchor marine grade 16 gauge stranded wire. This is what is recommended for boat installations, the stranded wire specifically. And obviously the marine grade just means it's resistant to corrosion and wet conditions, things like that. All right, this is the raw water strainer clean out. You open that up and there's a little basket in there you can pull out to check for leaves and other stuff that it may have pulled in from the water. So when you're ready to do it, you close the seacock, you take the lid off of the strainer, you push this up against the thing, you start your engine, you flip the switch on the pump, it'll start to inject the coolant, the engine will suck it in, and as soon as you see pink coolant out the back for a decent amount of time, for a few seconds, then you know you're done. All right, we're here to winterize the boat, so in preparation we're going to just get the engine started to make sure it starts. It doesn't really like cold weather. I've got this preheater thing, it's kind of like a glow plug, but apparently it's completely different in how it works. How long have I pushed that for? 5? Is it smoking a little? Yeah. Nice. We went through, I was getting nervous. I was like, I was afraid that we were going to run out of pink. And this is the beast that we winterized, the Perkins 4108 engine from like 1984, 85. She's a beast. Goodbye, Spy Hop. Until warmer times.